Hello everyone, good morning. These are the plants that I'm going to transplant in a container. Make sure that your container has some holes at the bottom. Here I put some mulch for good drainage. I'm adding vermiculite and triple 13 fertilizer. They thrive in full sun, fertile, well-draining soil. These plants are going to grow more than 12 inches. Black-eyed Susan or Rebecca. The variety I have here is Prairie Sun. It's a perennial flower, going to bloom from spring to frost. White bird of paradise. The feature color of the flower is white. These plants are going to cascade gently over the container. Lucky Star Lipstick Pentas flower is going to bloom from spring to autumn. I'm going to take into the house the bird of paradise in late autumn. The Rebecca is a perennial here in zone 7. So I don't have to take it inside the house. It's not possible for me to take all my annual plants inside my home or make some cuttings. For a continuous bloom during the growing season, use a bloom booster liquid fertilizer. Just follow the instruction how to dissolve the fertilizer. I'm going to insert the tag so that next year I have something to remind me what I planted in this pot. I hope you enjoy my new video and consider subscribing to my channel. May the week ahead be kind to all of us.